personal protective equipment needed in shielded metal arc welding process. So first, I want to share the importance of PPE. So PPE is very important in every individual, especially to a welder, because it secures the life of every welder. Hence, it prevents different possible injuries and accidents during the work. So today, I will introduce the different PPE, and we're going to start with the PPE needed for our head. So first, we have the welding mask. So welding mask is intended, or it is used to protect your entire face from the arc or arc flash from the smoke process or other welding process. Also, it protects your eyes from the arc rays that can cause you irritation. Next, we also need goggles. It is intended for grinding process. It is very important for us to wear goggles to cover our eyes from the flying debris or metal slugs and metal dust. Okay, next is, in order for us to protect our ears, we need to use ear muffs. So earmuffs are used to cover our ears from excessive noise. It protects our eardrum from excessive noise brought by a grinding process or welding process. Next, to protect our arm and hands, we need to use, of course, the gloves or welding gloves. So these welding gloves are made of leather or a cloth that can protect our entire arm from slugs or arcs. And also, to protect our body, we need also the leather apron or maong apron that covers our entire body. We can also use coverall if you have. Kung meron po kayo dyan sa bahay nyo na coverall, you can use it. Then, last, to protect our feet from falling debris or base metal, we need to use safety shoes. The safety shoes are made of steel toe shoes. So meaning, it can protect you from heavy metal that can possibly drop on your feet. So those are the common PPE needed in smoke process. I hope you get it. The use and different PPE needed in smoke process. Thank you so much. Okay class, this is how to use those PPE. So let's try firstly leather apron. Okay, after wearing your leather apron, you can use you can wear the welding gloves. Then, after this, use your ear muff in order to protect our ear from excessive noise. And kung gagawa naman kayo sa grinding process, you need to wear the goggles. In order for you to protect your face and eyes, you need to wear welding mask. You can use manual welding mask or an automatic welding mask. Just like this. Then, and of course, you need to wear your safety shoes. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Natapos na naman tayo sa isang makabuluhang talakayan na patungkol sa personal protective equipment. I hope lahat kayo ay may natutunan sa aking video ngayon. Kaya naman, kung kayo ay natuwa at nagalak sa aking itinuro, huwag niyong kalimutan i-subscribe. Siyempre, pakiclick nyo din po ang like button para sa video ito. Okay, bye-bye mga